Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishabh Kumar Singh from BCPPU second year batch 2, and I am here to my present a presentation on the topic of I made simple calculator. Before starting that, thank you to Neeraj Kumar sir for giving me opportunity. So let's start my program. I have made a simple calculator on using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this program, we have used body of calculator, display button, or a buttons that has a number contains number or a operator, and I have used css for a design or background design, and I also use div for a calculator for containing the data in the file, and I have uh, added buttons for a number who calculate number from taken number 0 from to 9, or calculate operator of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And I have also used JavaScript for calculating the total value and print the output of the data. So I have present this for taking output. As we saw in the picture, I have made simple calculator, and I have presenting or operating, and I have calculate the number of sum of two number as like 50 or 60. The result is 110, and I have also used subtraction or multiplication or division for calculating the data. That's all from my side. Thank you.